Hey, you are watching AliAziz YouTube channel.
Design review based on failure mode, DRBFM, for fresh and experienced candidates. AliAziz Quality Education channel providing you the job best interview related videos, so don't forget the subscription button. Index. Introduction to DRBFM. What is DRBFM? Why perform DRBFM? How to perform DRBFM. Introduction to design review based on failure mode, DRBFM. Design review based on failure mode, DRBFM, was created by Tatsuhiko Yoshimura, Toyota. It is based off the approach that accidents are considered to be avoidable if found during the development of a design. Improper designs contribute to reduction in brand image, poor reliability, and negative financial impacts. Many companies battle with the improvement process to mitigate design risk and often brainstorm updates to processes rather than determine actions to change the designs. DRBFM is a visual process that may link to failure mode and effects analysis, FMEA, and fault tree analysis, FTA, based on experience. Each member compares good design to the intentional changes and predicts possible failures. With the use of GD3 and brainstorming techniques, it evaluates design and manufacturing with respect to the technical causes. The method creates a robust format for problem solving. What is design review based on failure mode, DRBFM? DRBFM is a cross-functional disciplined process used to evaluate proposed changes to designs. The model is comprised of three core parts. Problem solving, a disciplined method used to solve complex issues. Recurrence prevention, the use of a collection of processes within a system designed to prevent recurrence related to the problem-solving methodology. Proactive prevention, a process to search for hidden issues in new or changed designs. DRBFM also focuses on proactive prevention using the GD3 approach. Good design. Reliable designs contributing to customer satisfaction. Good discussion. Review of current design with respect to good design. Good design review. Problem discovery and mitigation. Why perform design review based on failure mode, DRBFM? In addition to reducing design-related issues, companies benefit from improved brand imaging, lower product cost, and improved product development timing. Soft benefits include higher employee morale and increased job satisfaction. How to perform design review based on failure mode, DRBFM. The systematic approach is used to create a comprehensive procedure that is proactive, ensuring a global view of the product hierarchy. This provides a map to ensure all levels of communication are addressed. These interactions contribute to including not only the designer, but the full system communication. The following steps outline the process that applies mainly to intentional changes to designs, however can be applied to new designs while incorporating tools such as FMEA and FTA. When starting with an FMEA, focus on the components that are associated with the deliberate change. The DRBFM should be started on prototype drawings to increase the effectiveness of the process. Select the team based on the system and interactions, based on design change. Include representation from system, subsystems, and components. If this fails, the entire process will suffer. Visualize the differences between the changes with respect to the good design. Scope must be identified to the change. Since most companies spend their time identifying issues without properly resolving them or ignoring the solution altogether, the team needs to stay within the defined scope. Facilitation can help manage the team's focus and ensure the team understands what may adversely affect an already proven feature or features within the good design. If the contents of the change are not shared by the designer, process suffers. The FMEA process is used to determine details based on the functions affected by the intentional change. Information is then transferred from the FMEA to the left-hand columns on the DRBFM worksheet. Note, this is the responsibility of the designer. All participants must participate from item number 1. Discussion begins on the right-hand side of the DRBFM worksheet. Interactions between components will correlate to interactions between subsystems and system. Therefore, anything that is not understood at the feature or component change will be seen at higher level functions. Good discussion begins on the possible problems related to the intended change. Assemble all drawings, component examples, similar designs, etc. Designers should prepare for a constructive debate regarding the change function of the target part. The facilitator is responsible for the success of the review. They are responsible for keeping the tension at an acceptable level to spark ideas without turning offensive. The rest of the participants should be prepared to offer their ideas and experience. Try to keep total number of participants between 10 and 15, at most. Predicting the concerns of the change by carefully considering the interactions based on the change. Review by looking, disassembling, comparing, measuring, include surrounding areas, interactions, customer viewpoint, etc. Cause of concerns, detailed review. The majority of failures occur due to interactions. Consider stresses, forces, corrosion, oils, surfactants, temperature, handling, fasteners, correlation to the manufacturing process FMEA, etc. Review one component/concern at a time. FTA may be a useful tool for this part of the process. If concerns are identified, they must be mitigated. Review conventional methods of design mitigation, lower risk. Items left will stand out requiring more focus to resolve using the DRBFM process. Unnoticed point inspection includes past failures. Enter actions as design, evaluation, or process. Include responsible department, person, and due date. All are documented in the DRBFM worksheet as identified in the meetings. If this is delayed, items will accrue and render the team stuck. Measures for all concerns, good design review. Passively verify all actions are implemented into the drawings, evaluations, and process design. Actively verify on completed test parts and review, where, disassembled, cut, etc. All causes identified are now reviewed by the designer to determine if they are associated with specific measures. Note, it is very difficult to change or validate if there is no baseline to measure against. Design review based on failure mode worksheet.